Hi, this is Jerry Kuntz, the Electronic Resources Consultant at Ramapo Catskill Library System. Today we're going to take a look at how to block a sender in SmarterMail 16. There are a couple of ways to do it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account. I am looking at my list of messages in my inbox, and I have the preview panel set up on the right showing one selected email. I'm going to move down and select the second email, which is spam. Now, we use a lot of measures to try to control spam coming into our system, but it's certainly not perfect, and you will get spam messages. One thing you can try to do is to block spam based upon where it is coming from by going to the from header of that email and clicking on the address that is underlined there and then selecting the block sender option. And you get a message, are you sure you want to block One Stop Mart at greenqueenmosquito.com? And it tells you that it will be added to your personal internal block senders filter, and all future messages that come from this address will go to junk email. So let's go ahead and do that. A second way to block a sender is to highlight a message, and then from the actions menu up at the top of the message list, one of the options there is to block the sender. And again, we get the same message. If we go to our settings and look at the content filtering option, we see a list of the rules that we have, and one of the rules there is called internal block senders. And if we click on that rule, it opens up a settings for that one specific rule, and we can actually see that that address was just added to the end of the list of the addresses that we are now sending straight to spam. I can take out that one address here if I don't want it. Also, I can go back to my email. If I have done that by mistake, I can highlight that message and click unblock sender. All right, thank you for listening.